This is how to log out of Klarna app. So after you've opened and signed in into the Klarna app, but now you want to log out, simply tap on the top left corner of your screen where you will see a profile icon. And after you tap on it, you'll see an option called sign out on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on it. Then after a few moments, you will be signed out or logged out of Klarna, but you can use the same details and log into the Klarna app anytime you want. So this is how to log out of Klarna. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.